Hello, welcome to Kind Finder channel. Today's video, we're going to show you how to pin more than 3 chats on WhatsApp. Okay, you can pin your chat message at the top of the window for quick reference without searching for them in the ocean of message. This is a good feature from WhatsApp, but with one limitation, that is you can pin maximum 3 chats at any time, not more than that. If you want to pin another one, then you have to unpin one pinned chat, but still it is a good feature to keep your wife, girlfriend, or other family members or friends chat at the top of the window. Another best thing is this feature is applicable for all chats, both group or individual chat. Okay, let's get started. Okay, all you need to do is open your WhatsApp and tap hold on the chat. After this, you will get a pin icon right next to the mute and archive option which feature at the top. Select the pin option and the chat will move at the top of the list. Users will be able to pin a maximum of 3 chats only. So, here's how to pin more than 3 chats. First, tap and hold on one of the pinned chats and click Archive. After that, pin another chat and click Undo. An Archive pop-up before it's missing. Have you got it? Okay, let's do it one more time. But before that, you have to unpin one of the pinned chats on your WhatsApp, okay? Let's do it one more time. First, tap and hold on one of the pinned chats and click Archive. After that, pin another chat and click Undo on Archive pop-up before it's missing. As you can see, there are 4 pinned chats on your WhatsApp. Let's take a look at the slow motion. Repeat the action that we did before. Tap and hold on one of the pinned chats and click Archive. After that, pin another chat and click Undo Archive pop up before it's missing. Yeah, you got it, and I'm sure you can do it. There are 4 chats pinned. So, yeah, it was easy, right? Okay, that's all for today. It was about how to pin more than 3 chats on your WhatsApp. If you want to know how to pin more than 3 chats on your WhatsApp business, check the video link on the description below. If you don't want to miss any updates from us, please subscribe and turn on the notification because we find and share what you need to know. Cheer up and see you! Kind Finder!